Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the separation of mixture. First, a mixture of solid in solid. A mixture of solid in solid. So, what is the solid in solid? So, look, we will discuss step by step. There are four methods to separate solid with from the solid. Number one, hand picking method. Second one is the threshing. Third one, winnowing, and fourth one is the sieving. Out of these four methods, threshing and winnowing, these two methods are used mostly in agriculture. In the agriculture. Now look one by one. Number one method is the hand picking method. Hand picking method, your mom routinely use this method. When she cook pulses, she pick up the stone particles from the pulse, dal se, from the rice. Here, what are the special features? Number one, the impurity must be easily visible. Easy to visible. हमको stone particles अलग से नजर आ जाएं. We can detect them easily. How can we detect them easily? Because they are different in color, different in size, different in shape. So by difference in color, pulse, green pulse, black colored particles we pick up easily, brown colored particles we pick up easily. So these must be different in size, shape and color. The impurities हम कहेंगे अगर बहुत सारा हो तो we can't separate by this method. So the mixture, there is two mixture, pulse, stone particles. These are two mixtures, no? Two material mix in the. So these material present in a small quantity. One particle, one component present in large amount, another component present in less amount. एक ज़्यादा amount होना चाहिए, दूसरा less amount होना चाहिए. That's why we can easily separate them. Otherwise, it will take too much time that we can't use this method. So, hand picking method, the method in which we separate a component by easily hand picking. Now, second method is the threshing. Threshing, what do you mean by threshing? Do you know how the agriculture performed? Agriculture done by the farmers. They prepare the soil, loosening the soil, that is known as plowing, sowing the seeds, then watering them. Watering is known as irrigation. Now the crop plants will grow, they ripe, food grains develop in the seeds develop over here, then they cut. And cutting of the mature crop is known as harvesting. Now after cutting they make bundles, they make large bundles. Nowadays this process has become very easy due to using of tractor, thresher, but earlier time it was too painful process, too tough process. They make the bundle of the harvested crop and put them in the sun to dry up. After 10 days, 20 days, after drying up, they start to beat. They start to beat on a stone, on a hard surface, to separate out the food grains from the harvested crops. So, what is threshing? The process of separating out of the harvested crops, the process of separating out of the food grains from the harvested crops is known as threshing. Now, after threshing, nowadays we are using the thresher, and thresher, we put the bundle of the food harvested crop in it, it separate out the food grains. Now, next method is the winnowing. The harvested crops having a number of the impurities like the husk and chaff, and also a number of, we can use this method in, when we use this method, we can use this method by separation of the heavier particles from the lighter particles. Here, heavier particles, food grains, lighter particles, husk. So, what is the winnowing? Separation of heavier and lighter particles, component of mixture with the help of the wind or blowing air. हवा चलाएंगे या एयर के साथ में ऊपर से, we allow it to put down from the height as you are looking in the diagram. So, as we put here, so food grains which are heavier in weight, they fall down here, they make a heap here over here, and husk which is lighter in weight, it will deposit, it will collect. In this method, the winnowing is used. We can perform an activity also. We can mix sand, sawdust, lakdi ka burada, and take the dried leaves. Dry leaves, सूखी पत्तियां, mix them and churn them. Now, we switch on the fan. फैन को स्विच ऑन कर देंगे. अब यहां से हवा आ रही है. As the wind blows, the dried leaves are lighter in weight, so dried leaves separate out, it move away. Sawdust, which is slightly heavier in comparison to the leaves, so it will deposit there. But the sand, which is heaviest particle, they settle down at the bottom at here, right? In this way, there are 3 heaps along with their weight. Now, next method is the sieving. Sieving, your mom daily doing this practice. You can also perform this activity at your home. Take flour, and before kneading the flour, what the mom do? She take the wheat flour in a chalni, strainer, and shake it like this one to separate out the fine particles of the wheat. Separate out fine particles of the wheat. Passes through the small holes of the strainer, and wheat bran, which is larger in size particles, it will separate out. It do not allow to pass through these holes. So this method is the sieving. Sieving is method when we use this method when we want to separate large sized particles from the fine sized particle or small sized particles. By allowing this through the passing through small holes. Holes, if larger, they will pass easily. Smaller, for various purposes, we use different kind of sieve and different ways. You know, tea. You are preparing tea and you filter the tea. When you filter the tea, there are some tea leaves left behind, like this one. wheat. Nowadays अभी जो लोग डायरेक्ट आटा ले लेते हैं उनको तो पता नहीं है, बट some students living in the villages and they know well their mom take the wheat and separate out like this one, छानती है उनको, sieving करती है. The small sized, the dust particles, stones will pass over here. The large sized particles, large sized wheat will separate, a small sized wheat will separate, right, by this method. Now next, the you know well in at the construction you have observed at the construction side. At the construction side they when they plastering their walls, at the time of plastering they separate the large sized pebbles from the sand particles. For this they having a strainer, sieve, large size sieve with inclined ऐसे झुकी रहती है, as you are looking in the diagram. So it is slightly tilted and put the sand over here. The sand particles which are fine in size, they will settle down and they will pass through the strainer and large size particles will separate out. Now you can perform an activity at your home also. Take wheat and rice. Mix wheat and rice. If you mix wheat and rice, mom will give a slap. Right? What I am doing? So, take some rice, a small amount of the rice and a small amount of the wheat. Now, you separate this one. Wheat particles, wheat flour is having fine particles, so it will separate out. The rice, which is larger size particles, they will do not allow to pass, so they will separate out. This is over. Now look over here once again. How many methods are to separate solid from the solid? Number one, yes. Number one, hand picking method. Different in size, different in color, different in shape. Easy to visible. Impurities are smaller in amount. Threshing, separation of food grains from harvested crops. Winnowing, separation of heavier particles from the lighter particles. Lighter particles from the heavier particles by allowing the air, by blowing the air. Now sieving, separation of small sized particles from the large sized particles by using a sieve. Right? Nowadays we are using combine harvester machine. Combine harvester machine, it हार्वेस्टिंग, कटिंग भी करेगी, थ्रेसिंग भी करेगी, विनोविंग भी करेगी. अल्टीमेटली वी विल ऑब्टेन प्योर wheat, pure food crops. We do not need to threshing, we do not need to winnowing. It directly done.